Today I will share with you the famous and beautiful Pakistani drama queen Durrefishan Saleem skincare routine. So let's start. Durrefishan Saleem says that, "This is my secret recipe, which I always try on my face when my skin gets dry." The first step is face cleansing. For facial cleansing, she uses Biodermacine BOH20 makeup removing micellar solution, which removes her makeup by putting it on a cotton pad. She says that good skincare doesn't require you to buy expensive products, but you can easily take care of your skin with the ingredients you use daily at home. So let's move on to the second step. That is the exfoliation mask. For that you need 1 spoon of barley flour, orange peel powder 1 tablespoon. Then we take 2 tablespoons of almond flour. After that add 1 spoon of curd and 1 spoon of milk to make a thin consistency. Mix it well. It becomes like a cream. Now you apply this paste on your face with the help of a brush. After applying it, leave it on your face until it dries. After drying, wet your hands and massage the face with soft hands. After massage, wash your face with semi-hot water. And do not drag your face. This mask works to skin exfoliation and refreshes the dead skin. She says that if you want good makeup, your skin should be clean, and it is then when your deadline ends and they can get you from these natural things. And your face will be frustrated and shiny. Second step, moisturizing mask. She used the honey to moisturizing face. You must add a little honey and apply it to your entire face. Wait after 15 minutes. Wash your face with semi-hot water. Honey is a great moisturizer for your skin that illuminates your skin tone and manages your pores. So it gives a very bright effect in your skin, in your own color. Always wash your face with cool water for good skin. Now let's go to the last step. That is toning solution. For that you need rice water and dry rose petals. To get rice water, soak rice in water. Keep rice soaked in water for about 17 to 18 hours so that all the properties of rice come in this water. Now put rose leaves in this water and put it in a spray bottle and spray it on your face. If you don't have rose leaves, you can also use a rose water in it. This will keep your skin pores good. Discoloration of your skin will be fine. And you are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.